Hi guys, welcome back. So, andito na tayo sa viewing area after sa buffet dinner natin. Yun guys, so ito na yung part 2. Keep on watching. So yun siya guys, papunta na kami sa viewing area. So ito yung binabayaran namin ng 4,000 per head. Yan. So kasali na yung buffet dinner. And kailangan magmadali kami guys para makauna kami doon sa dulo. Yan, yung nandun sa dulo. Dito kami guys. And yung dito sa kilid, yan, madaming tao. Yan.
Front.
And yan siya. So, kitang-kita ninyo guys, diba? Sulit din naman. So, minsan-minsan ka lang makapag-Disneyland. Kaya, sulitin na. So, yan siya guys. So, keep on watching.
Dari ang dagang na pita sa ilawan pa jud lang ng paulo.
呢一個章節亦會令大家成就自我，邁步向前。今晚就讓我哋喺城堡前歡慶呢份得着同埋感動，從而銘記並珍惜當下，活出奇妙人生。為咗令大家欣賞得更加投入，城堡周圍嘅燈光將會較暗。為咗安全起見，請你哋留喺而家嘅位置，直至所有燈光回復正常。
城堡周围的灯光将会调暗，为了安全起见，请你们留在现在的位置，直到所有灯光恢复正常。这一场生命时光盛宴还有几分钟就会开始，谢谢。Good evening, one and all. In just a few minutes, we will proudly present our nighttime spectacular, Momentous. Each of us lives a lifetime filled with magical moments, shaping us into who we become and gifting us with what we leave behind. Tonight, we celebrate those moments, inspiring us to live life to the fullest and to cherish every memory. To fully enjoy this performance, the lighting around the castle will dim. For your safety and that of others, please remain where you are until the lighting returns to normal. Our celebration of a lifetime, Momentous, will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
The magic's never ending, filled with innocence and memories worth remembering.
Grabe, nanindog akong balahibo, bay. As in.
So yun siya guys, pasensya na dahil hindi ko napuna ng buong buo talaga dahil naka-live din ako sa isa kong cellphone doon sa Linda Din channel. So yun siya guys, paki-follow yung Linda Din channel at i-scroll nyo doon mismo yung live dito sa Momentos sa Disneyland. So yun siya guys, and meron akong GoPro, i-try kong i-upload dito yung GoPro. Yan, busy-busy po tayo guys. And yun, sana nag-enjoy kayo and don't forget to like and share and leave any comment, and also thank you for your support, and also yan. See you guys, and yeah, I'll see you next time.
Malibit akong lyrics. Ayan mo, tama siya. Bye-bye.
Parang tulala na ako naglakad guys kasi sa daming tao, so chill na lang kami kasi doon sa train guys, maliit lang yung train, syempre hindi kami magkasya lahat, so kaya pinapauna na namin sila. So yun siya guys, nakakapako din. See, kita ninyo, daming tao. Season kasi Pasko, kaya ganun, super daming tao talaga.
咪九龍塘啊，要去。